What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll be showing you how to draw Wendy O Koopa from Super Mario. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page with the mouth. We're going to start over on the left side. We want to draw a curve that comes down the center. Now let's bend that up towards the right. Now I want to draw the top of the lip. So we're just going to round this out, go across the top, and then out towards the left. Let's round up the left side, come down across the bottom of the lip, going up, and just curling that back in. Now with the mouth in place, let's go up in the center and draw a curve for the nose. We're going to start on the left, going up, and then bend that down. Step in, add a curl, coming in and then down across the nostrils. Now from here, we're going to tuck the cheeks in behind the nose. So on the left side, we're going to step up, curl this up, around the cheek, and then tuck that in towards the side of the mouth. Let's line this up on the right and do the same thing, going up, go around, and then in. Let's go up to the top and draw on the eyelid, leaving a gap in the center. Starting on the left, we're going to bend this out and then up. Let's line this up on the right, going out and then up. On the inside, we're going to step out, curve the eye, coming down on top of the nose. Let's go all the way towards the outside, curve the outside of the eye, coming in on top of the cheeks. Let's pull the eyes towards the insides. From the top, we're going to draw a circle, going around, and just tucking that in towards the nose. And then in the center, draw a small black dot for the pupils. Now, from the outside of the eyes, we're going to step out and draw the top of the head. So on the left side, we're going to curve this up, round out the head in the middle, go across, and then bend that down on top of the right cheek. For the outside of the eyes, we're going to add two curls for the eyelash. So we're going to step down, bend this out, and then up, step down, and draw that again, just overlapping the side of the head. Let's go all the way up towards the top of the head and add that center knot. Starting on the left side, bend this up and then out, come across, and then down towards the right side. Now we're going to go to the outside of the head and draw the bottom half of the bow. So we're going to start on the left side, going out, up, and then bend that in, and do the exact same thing on the right. Now I'm going to add a fold. So on the left side, step down, curl this out, and then up. Let's round out the bow. It's going to pull us in to the top point of the knot. Let's go over towards the right side. Draw the top of the bow going up, round this out, and just tuck that in to create a fold. Now I'm going to add some polka dots inside the bow. Let's start from the top left. We're going to draw a circle. Add a smaller one. I'm just going to continue to add these circles inside the bow and tuck some along the side. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw the necklace. We're going to start in the center with a circle, going all the way around. Let's layer another one along the side. So on the top left, draw another circle, going up. Do the same thing on the right. Let's add one more. Starting from the side, we're just going to tuck this up underneath the head from the outside. Just close off the inside of that circle. Now underneath the necklace, we're going to add that patch. We're going to start on the left, we're going to draw an oval, coming down towards the bottom, round this out, and pull that up. And then we're going to add two seams across, starting from the left, on the top, move down, and add one across the bottom. From the bottom of that patch, we're going to step down and add a curve, going up and then down. Leave a gap in the center. Let's go to the left side. We're going to bend the leg, going out and then down towards the heels. From the heel, draw a straight line going out, bend this up and then out, and it'll curve the bottom of the foot, coming down and then out. Let's draw the top of the foot. From the outside, bend this up and then in to right about there. And it'll curve the shoe, coming down and then up towards the inside of the leg. Now let's go all the way back up towards the top. We're going to start on the left side. We're going to bend the body. We're just going to blend this in towards the leg, coming down toward the top point of the shoe. Now with the arms, we're going to stretch this out towards the side and add 2 hula hoops across the wrist. Let's start from the top, bend the arm coming down and out. Do the same thing on the right side. Now from here, we're going to draw the inside edge of the hoop, coming down and then in towards the bottom. Let's draw the bottom of the arm. We're going to step all the way down, cut the arm coming down and in towards the side of the body. Let's go to the bottom. It's going to round out the hoop and pull it back up underneath the arm. Now I want to trace the hoop along the outside. From this point, we're going to step over, curve this up, trace that curve coming all the way down towards the bottom, come along the inside, and then up underneath the arm. Let's do the same thing on the right. On the outside of the hoop, we're going to draw the thumbs. We're going to point this up, going up and out, come out, and then down towards the palm. Let's move down towards the bottom. We're going to layer 3 fingers across. Let's start down here, come down and out, then it's up and then in. Let's layer the second finger. From this point, step up, then it's down and out, go up and in, and we'll do that one more time, going up and then in towards the base of the thumb. Let's separate the tip of the thumb and each finger with a curve. And then with the body complete, we're going to layer the edge of the shell in behind. Let's start underneath the arm, come down and in towards the side of the hips. And then we'll continue the shell in between the arm and the head. Let's finish off by adding the tail over on the left side, coming down and out. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how you draw Wendy O Koopa from Super Mario. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each week where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.